Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. So, I'm going to do. What did I drop? Well, that's strange. I dropped something, but now I don't see it. I just don't see it. Alright, so I'm going to switch this disk drive around into a better configuration and knock this phone down. So, somebody called. Oh well. Right. The phone was a bad battery. I will put it on low power mode. Okay, I still don't know what I dropped. That is annoying. Okay, enough. Is this disk drive on? Oh, it's on. It should not be on. Okay. So, what do I have here but a 1541 disk drive? And there are 7 major chips here. That is not one of them. So I took them out of the other board before. See, right now, I'm going to disconnect the sucker from everything. Right now, when I turn on the drive, the light comes on, the drive spins, and goes off. So, what am I going to do? Well, using this funky tool that came with, I think, my soldering iron. Oh, these chips are so positioning of them. Very tough. Oh, see this. Oh my golly, this thing even got bent. Heavens. Just trying to get a 6522 out. Imagine. Okay. Come on out, 6522. These capacitors right by the chips don't help any. Okay, so this is the chip I'm taking out. This is the chip I'm putting in. And I know that the chip I'm taking out is good. I've tested and tormented this drive tremendously, almost as much torment as it is to get this chip out of this little plastic bag. Okay. Okay, the pins are looking good. The socket is looking good. The witness mark is okay. Turn this on. And indeed, the drive spins. I wonder, does it spin as long? I guess so. Actually, I suppose what I should do. Is make sure all is well and good in the world. Oh, 64 is on as well. Interesting. Oh, yeah, it is. Okay, we're going to get rid of this for the moment. Okay, Now, just because it makes sense, it's best always when doing things like this to do one thing at a time. Well, looky, looky. See, it seemed to be working. Device not present here. I just didn't think it spun as long. And it locks up. Lucky that. Alrighty. Let's take this out. Isn't that interesting? It's always a good thing when changing chips to do one at a time and then see what's what. So that chip, bad. We will double check this. We'll fight this one out of the bag. Check the pins, check the witness mark, looking around, all the pins are fine. And the drive's off. And we'll put it back in. Turn the drive on. Oh. Why is this finding nothing? Oof. That does not sound so good, but there it is. Okay. All right. So where, oh where? I hate this. Where did my Sharpie go? Oh. I should leave it out. I should leave it out. Maybe I did leave it out. Maybe that's the trouble. There's the blue one. That does not help me. Oh. All right. Is it hiding here? Is it hiding there? I know I pushed the 64 over here a little bit. Is it behind there? How? Not there, it's not there. Come on. I know I didn't put anything in here. I looked in here. It's got to be here. It's got to be here. It's got to be here. Oh, wait. Wait. Maybe that. Oh, that's what I dropped on the floor. And it went under. Oh. It went under the edge. It went under the edge of this little table here. Okay, 1541, 6522. Bad. That chip. Bad, 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 bad. Okay. All right, into the bag we go. All right. Now, turn this off. We'll grab something else. Oh, okay. This. Oh, this is not for this. It's for 64, 65, 26. That. And okay. All right. Let's grab it. Oh, let's grab this. What's this? 1541, 325, 5720. Okay. Well, burn this out of here. You know, I'm thinking these bags, while they're good, pins get stuck here. And this is not good. Ugh. In fact, it could even, as I'm taking things out, I could even break a pin off. Oh, come on. Okay. Come on out. Come on out. Now it's stuck on the lip. I'll have to rethink this. Okay. The drive is off. This is the non-traditional chip that I pulled out before that has, like, it doesn't have the traditional witness mark that I am used to. It does not. Oh, but you know what? Oh, I bent a pin. Isn't that beautiful? Just trying to get the thing out of here. Remember, these things have been in place for decades. So it is not that surprising that they are not anxious to want to come out. Let's take it slow. Don't break any traces. Be gentle. Because this chip is working. Just bend that pin back ever so slightly. But it's funny, I look at this pin, or this chip, it doesn't have the traditional witness mark either. It does have a little dot in the bottom left-hand corner. Maybe. It's been a while since I've been in here. Alright, I'm just trying to get the chip very well centered and very well in. Alright. Interesting. It is not wanting to load. So I'm going to try and get this drive kind of initialized. Bang ahead. File not found. Oh, interesting. Well, this opens up all kinds of possibilities because, of course, if you remember, the other drive, I did turn this off, the other disk drive would not read anything. Just flat out refuse. So maybe, possibly, this drive has multiple failures. Or the chips that were in it. This was on the other board that I took apart. But this does not seem good. It just does not. Not good at all. All right. Well, let's just verify. We'll put that here. Checking the pins. Checking the witness mark. Hello. All right. We're back in. Now it loads just fine. My. Bad. All right. Well, things happen. They do. I never expected to find like multiple failures. And certainly, like, there was already one bad 6522 in there. And now, another 6522 and a 325572-01. Interesting. Well, I think I need to take a break and then get back at the other chips. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.